What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when we had this bounce from the its lowest point at roughly $25.42, and I've told you that we have to have some kind of bounce, then we might retest the same range, and from this range, depending on the price action, we might have a breakout below the $25.42. Or we might have a bounce to the upside with increasing volume, and this will indicate that we have double or even triple bottom pattern, and this might be the local bottom for the price action, and from this range we might go higher. So, as you can see, this asset acts exactly as I predicted, and we had these 3 candles in a row, 3 red candles, and I have to say that the volume is slightly higher than we had previously on this movement to the upside. This means it is quite bearish sign. But overall, I have to say that the majority of news that push the price of LCID ticker down is not directly related to Lucid itself. It is related to the general sentiment of the market, and let me show you right here. On Yahoo Finance we have this article that was published on February 23rd, and it's titled Stock Market News Live Updates. S&P 500 Dow closed at lowest level in 2022 as Russia-Ukraine conflict escalates. And let me quote you this. US stocks fell sharply Tuesday to start the holiday shorted week lower as investors monitored heightened tensions between Russia and Ukraine. The S&P 500 shed 1%, down to 4,304.68 to enter correction territory, or more than 10% from its high. The Dow Jones Industrial Average tumbled 482 points, or 1.4%, to 33,597. Both indexes closed at their lowest levels this year so far. The Nasdaq Composite fell as much as 1.2%, or 166 points. So, we have a negative sentiment for the market, and the main catalyst for this movement is definitely the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the escalation in this conflict. And I have to say that I'm really upset about this news, because I live in Russia and nobody in Russia wants to see the war between Russia and Ukraine. And definitely it is the worst case scenario for our nations. So, on top of this news, we have another article. Let me show it to you right here. We are on Reuters.com, and this article was published on February 24th, and it was updated just 2 hours ago. And it says, Lucid Group to recall over 200 cars due to possible safety issue. And let me quote you this. Lucid Group said on Tuesday it would recall more than 200 of its premium sedans due to a possible safety issue, sending its shares down nearly 5%. And right here we have the exact number. About 203 vehicles potentially might be affected with this issue. And a lot of YouTubers started to speculate about this number of vehicles, that it is the total number of vehicles delivered in 2021. And I have to say that I disagree with this statement. First of all, let me show you this. Right here on Teslarati.com I found the original document from Lucid, and here it is. And I didn't find any exact numbers how many vehicles will be recalled. And definitely we cannot know about the number of vehicles from this statement. So I think we have to patiently wait, and the most important catalyst for now for this company is not the delivery rates itself. It is their forecast on upcoming earnings call. And let me show you that right here. We have this article that was published on February 21st, and it says Lucid strong buy before earnings, and the summary is Lucid may make new announcements pertaining to its international expansion plans next week. The EV company may also provide additional details about its new SUV model Gravity. pre-order volumes could surprise to the upside. And definitely if this happens, we will have a major catalyst from the fundamental standpoint, and this definitely will push the price of Lucid higher. But I have to say that we have to keep an eye on the Russia-Ukraine conflict and the escalation of this conflict, because in worst case scenario, if Russia invades Ukraine, we will see the bloodbath on the markets, and definitely it will lead to lower prices. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, for now we have this pretty much triple bottom at the range of about $25.4, and this latest point is slightly below this previous one, and this point is slightly below than this previous one. And technically, if you count every penny on the price chart, we have consistently lower lows. But I have to say that it is not so obvious from the technical standpoint, because we cannot have the exact price point as the pivot point or as the resistance or support. We have the range of resistances, we have the ranges of supports, and that's why I think we have triple bottom pattern. And as long as these three bottoms hold, we might have next leg to the upside if the catalyst, the upcoming positive catalyst for Lucid itself or for the markets overall will be revealed and push the entire markets up. So what should we expect next? For now, I think if you want to invest in this asset, you still have to do your own due diligence and then accumulate your position on every daily red candle. Because for now, let me show you that on a smart money list, we have more green rows than red ones, but you have to keep in mind that these filings were made on February 17th and on February 16th and February 20th, so on and so forth. But the exact execution date of this deal was made right here at the golden pocket, and it is the most probable range where a lot of investors added their position, added their long position, and that's why we still have these green rows on their institutional investors list. So, and if you want to enter your swing trade position, I don't suggest you to do so, because for now we still have a lot of possibilities to hit lower targets, and your long position might be unprofitable and you might have huge losses with this asset. But all in all, from the investor standpoint, this asset is quite positive, I have to say, and you can accumulate the position on Lucid if you already done your own due diligence. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!